Welcome to Big Fish Social Media, tips and secrets. In today's video, we are going to show you how to design a logo for free. Step 1. So first of all, what we're going to need to do is set up a free canva.com account. Don't worry, this is completely free and safe. You don't have to enter any card details or payments or anything like that whatsoever at all. So let's dive in and show you first of all what we need to do to set it up. Okay, so all we do now is go to www.canva.com. Simply go over to the top right hand corner, hit the sign up button, and as it says over here, we can create a free account. You can either log in via your Google account, Facebook account, or you can just sign up with your normal email. So you can just type your name in here, email address and your password, and get started. And it's as simple as that. Step 2. So now you can either design your own logo by uploading your own images, or you can design a logo by using a free of charge template. Let's show you how it's done. Okay, so now we're inside our canva.com account. We can start creating our design. So if we come over here to the top right hand corner and we click on create a design, it'll give us a drop down. Lots of different options that we can go into, but today what we're going to do is we're going to go into logo. Click on that and it gives the background template of the logo that we're going to use. Okay, so there's a couple of different options. We can either start customizing a logo ourselves, or we can have a look at some of the templates that Canva offer. Some of them are free of charge, some of them are paid for. So we can kind of scroll through, and you can obviously make a decision on what you'd want to use to represent your company, your brand, and we can change the colour schemes as well. Some of these here, if you can see, have got a crown. So any of these ones that have got a crown on here are the pro version, so just be aware that they are a paid for version. But then there are some other ones over here that say free. So any ones over here obviously that are free throughout the whole templates you can use and customize and change the wording, colors, etc. So if we have a look through here, so we're a marketing company, so we're going to type in marketing and have a look at some of the options. So these are the ones that come up. Now out of this section, I personally quite like this one. I quite like the simplicity of it. I like the background color, so I'm going to click on that. So up comes obviously the logo here. So now we can play about and do some editing. So let's change the company name, for example. So let's change it to ours, so Big Fish, and then let's change this section here, social media. Okay, so I really like the way that that colour, the white, comes off of the blue, so I'm happy with that. Oh, let's just change that there. Obviously not too happy with the logo side of that though, so what I want to do is change that. Within the options here we can upload a photo, so we can upload some photos, for example, if we wanted to use a particular image, or we can look at elements. So elements here, they have lots of different images that you can use. Some of them are quite cartoony, so might not look very professional for a logo, so you can just type in what you're looking for in the search bar here and scroll through. So what I want to look for is a fish, because we're Big Fish Social Media, so let's obviously kind of link it in with a fish and something that's going to look quite professional. Quite like the white one there, but it's a pro version, so I can't have that. So let's click on that one. Now let's remove this image so it goes away completely. Now obviously a red fish doesn't look particularly good on that background, so if you see here in the corner we can actually change the colour scheme. So if I click on that red and I change it to white, it then obviously links in obviously with the background of the image and the text. I actually really quite like that. It's quite simple, quite quick, very simple to do. If I wanted to, I could change the text. I actually quite like that text, so I'm going to keep that. But if we go to the text section here, we can then look down and scroll through and find so many different types of fonts that would represent obviously you as a business, or for your personal page that you're looking at using. So let's just say we wanted to use that text there. Okay, what we can do is just move this one for the time being up to the top. Again, we can come over here, highlight, and then change the text to our name. Get rid of the bit at the bottom. And that's quite big, so we can drag this and make it a bit smaller. And like I say, it's so easy to just play around and drag it and make it smaller, bigger. If you did want to customize the text size individually, so you could highlight the media, I could come up here, I could make it a bit smaller, I can make it bigger from there, or I can drag it, whatever I want to do really. Okay, but I don't particularly like that font. I just wanted to show you a different example of fonts that you could use. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to bring down the original one because I quite like the way that that looks. And that is the logo I'm going to use. It's that simple. So once you've got a design that you like the look of, you literally come over here to the top right hand corner, click download, and download your image. And as you can see, it goes straight into your downloads folder, and that is it. Nice and simple.
We hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and secrets.